It is finished. Nina la so. My yesro do babano. Nina la bo. Mr. DJ. Bamunyumbina. Dailu my boy no. Ye de mechi me bia memre so na miko. Minya da me yumna. Dailu my boy no. Ankwanu me anu me. Emre so na miko. Ayesu ni o. Ayesu ni sise me na so da odi yesu. Ebia ba wadwen ne ensu no ebia fam ho na ama ensu na yedam amensa obi ayesu ni o ensu ayanum ni ensu afidi Ghana man onipa kakra bi woni pesman kumyanti ayesu ni yede yehwenye nka na Sunday nka baba no na mankrofo o ha wolugal they are enjoying the nature ayesu ni enye yo mampanyi biala nti enhunya se wobaka wan asem radio station ni TV station ma ban ate dem olkod ni o san na aha no nipa wo de wakasa man na ye nwoton da menyipa no ayemum ene yenya kwasafo bi a san e kan wobayawo ense nsunini mankron akokwa kwanyakon asafo winiba suadro kasoa nsu a efidi ni o nsu a yanumini wato pipe 1000 years impo na yesu nti na yensuro isensunini odi yehwen ye fema ba no the new. This is the most beautiful place of the Ayensu river eni o nsunini what the den first no what's what the along guma e ba gine sise no enya along asem nsunini o nsunini sise ye ne den enye yo mampani bi a won kan wasem won mechire obi amfa obi aho sise no nsu a amanfo ye wo ha ye de ba hurade ye de ba ye aduane aka no se mo wonu mpodi anka ye betopia water na yi ana wode ye nti sise no asema abani o nti ye besere mo sise no ye ni obi wo ha ayi awutu senya iso something bodwa ase kasoa MP wo ho aguna yi se MP wo ha we ya mebodin de MP bi wo ha yi nkwasiafo bi a wonim nyansa because when the atama wo video na hu yen last year na me start here dem video si a me gina mankron kwanta na me yen na ma aba mankron hu se wundi obi atemti en obi a wo ba me ndi atem but me kire wo se ye wan pisa won krofo na wo enjoy ensu awutu senya mfansa kasoa me minim district no kasoa part of Gomua Central eni Winneba eni Aguna East eni Aguna West Aguna Sodro sise ye nyina nsu a true Aguna kwanyako efidi da mi enkrama body eni nkro nketu haka ho de ye bre mankron akokwa eni nkro aka ho mankron kwanta nsu echil kwanyako asafo na ntefa ye nyina nsu ye o ena nsu ma ye ni o yan kase nti amampanyi bia nti na obi likade ena mo mfa ye nonsense Golo boys no those MPP and NDC for one crop no go to soon what to Galamsey no what's we anuma papa mo say hemfa nti den na ekosi e den na ekosi o Ayensu ni o this is the most beautiful place aha no na wo ba ha nsu no e won 9 branches a wodi 2 kro ni din nsu no ma ye ni nka na wo ba banka mankrofo wo ha wo horade wo gal wo enjoy the nature nti asema yesere mo this is NGO fo ema mo wa kwantum aya mo frɛ me medam ase ti se NGO fu munim NGO fo wotutu nsubura o metubi man masan so ma ba video bio edin mra so se o se yesu edin
all right ebusiama okaba biom from Braga and Sam TV so edin am just so any promise the blogger video kwakwo hwe ye Ayensu river me na wo ka say Ayensu river no adane ateche His Excellency John Dramani Mahama by your council best of Galamsey, but treaty Ama Galamsey in Sua Asani no aye kamano. And there Ayensu river and Abusia Okoshe yeno. Be say untimfa propaganda embu o man emani yeden emani ye. Esan say no kre ene ntro eni twaka. No kre ene ntro eyeden eni twaka. A question I'm going to say and say, what is John Dramani Mahama going to say about this Ayensu river send ye esi aye. Then I will come for when your old video where your Sunday ya actually say and do a Sunday on the 7th year near my birthday no. A video and I'm gonna share him. And the president of Ghana today is John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, aka Bole Bamboy Nebukadnezar, aka Idi Amin, or no? In a Ghana man penny. And this is what is happening currently under his government, under his nose. This is what is happening, and he can't do anything about it. All of a sudden, they've even forgotten about the thing that he said about Galamsey, how they were going to solve it, how they are going to make Ghana a better place. All of a sudden, they have forgot. And then, Galamsey, as saying, Sasi, all of a sudden, fix the country for no. Journalists, I'm going to far Galamsey, you buy ye, ni pure water, no bottle one. They are not talking again. Because Omudidi. In the sense, he doesn't think about you. He doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about what you people go through. Because now they have achieved the reason why they did all the things that they did. And today they are eating. So that kind of person, he has no problem and he's not ready to talk about those things again because now he's okay. But in the family, they are okay. Like they don't like anything anymore. They have everything that they wanted. Because today, the government they campaigned for is in power. The government that they made the noise for is in power. Therefore, they don't really care about you guys anymore. They don't. They don't really care. And what's Eeii say? A lot of Ghanaians believe that these people were going to do something special that the MPP government was not doing, not knowing that they were even worse than the MPP government. This is the Ayensu River. And I can tell you that this is not the only river I say you, but the Eeii say, since you know, we should probably say we need back, those areas have been banned and so on. They all feed from this water. They all fetch water from this river, no? Ayensu River. And then I say, because of Galamsey, John Dramani Mahama Abayno, or any new Ibrahim Mahama, any Joseph Yamin mo, and no, and the Arabic drew be heading, your wedding. But I saw no one I cancel comfort call. Only wine, I can so comfort the same call. That is Ghana for you. That is the kind of people you are living in a country with. How hypocrites they are. Say your moody it's okay if you're moody it's bad. And this kind of super and this as a nation. At time I think the journalists know some tatina mosankasa. Mama just cannot there. Mama munji na monkasa. Amunyabi. Because command say ya estema yinina. Eeii so hearing. Ema yinina. Hi Ghana and TV. I'm just so. Any promise the blogger.